Hey everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Today this tutorial it's going to be I think it's a fast design, and I do it when I go to birthday parties. For maybe like line twisting, you think about it. You can probably avoid details, but this is the way I make a plane that I know, especially little ones, they're gonna love it. Because it's a big figurine and it's something they can hold and maybe, pretend that it's flying. So that's something really cool. Let's start it. I'm gonna use different colors. But the idea is like if you made this with just playing with 2 colors, or you can ask the kids' favorite colors for this plane. First, an entire balloon inflated like this, always soft and squishable, because you have to grab the end and tie it together. So this part is gonna be the wings, right? So you're gonna make this design. It's very easy. You can do it this way, just you have here where you tied it, and then you have this part. So you just, and that's for me simple enough. That's it. Okay, so you can hide that if you want, and you can make it this way, yes, but I just keep it this way and it's okay with me. So it's up to you. What do you prefer? You can always add more details or take the details so to make it faster. Don't forget that, because that's something important, that when you are in events, you have to think, oh, there are already 10 kids waiting in the line, so better make something fast. You don't want to also make people wait, because even if you are making cool designs, kids especially, it's hard for them to wait. They're gonna say, oh, I'm waiting forever, blah, blah, blah. So like I know in parties, and you are there for 1 hour, people expect things to be fast, and it's okay, it's understandable. And also that's kind of another magic party, right? Is that make things fast. But that's an opinion, because you can take your time, it's okay. And just making 1 hour 5 figurines but super elaborated, that's awesome. So it depends what you are offering, because some people also do a show, and so the whole show is the most important thing, and not the balloons, or maybe in the show the most important thing is to take your time to make something big, a big balloon. So many choices, right? And that's what you don't have to worry much. Just do what you feel at the moment. And this is in my experience how I do it. Now, you have the whole balloon inflated and the wings, so then you're gonna inflate 2 balloons approximately the same size, but it's like 6-finger tail, and this one's, just approx. And what I do is usually I tie these 2. See, I tie, and I'm gonna create this shape that is kind of like, you will see. It's like a triangle, both sides, so you will see. So here you measure like 6-finger long, 1-finger bubble, pinch twist, 6-finger long, 1-finger bubble, pinch twist. It's like we are repeating. And now these 2, like a triangle, is gonna cross, you see? Crossing one side and the other one too. See, there we go. Then you can, from here, you have a triangle. See, like this. So it's like the baby from Juan Gonzalez. It's the baby, or Juan Gonzalez, right? The baby face, and then here you put a baby. So you're gonna keep going and make another triangle. Okay. Now this triangle I made a little bit longer, like 7-finger long. Okay. Okay. So you twist. You can lock things if you want, but the idea is here. I'm gonna make 2 double pinch twists, so it's a pinch twist, and then you can make more pinch twists. I think it's good. You can check out which balloon has more balloons, so you can grab it. So you can do this, like 3 pinch twists, so you have direct connection, okay? And 3 pinch twists is gonna make things, it's gonna help you to make things here more stable, I think. Now, from here, you're gonna go back, and you're gonna go back, and you're gonna trap, and this is how I do. I trap my wings, you see? I trap my wings there, okay? Now, this is what I'm thinking. You want to make things fast. It's always a way to just make things fast, and just using less balloons. So then one of the balloons is going to stay for the tail, and the other one is the one that is going to be covering this side. One side here and the other one's here. And I'm thinking, sometimes, why not? When I'm in a party, you see, I'm okay, because I'm fast blowing balloons and tying, so I can add more balloons and it's fine. But if you are in a hurry, you can just grab, and let's pretend that, okay? To make it simple, you just are here, you pass this like 1, Okay, and now I also like this part. Look, from here, I don't go to this side. I like to make it also thicker. So I'm gonna go through there. You pass it around. This is your moment that you decide if you wanna have a pinch twist here. So then the LSS, what is gonna have a pinch twist in the center for, you know, the little thing that's gonna go pew, pew, pew. So you decide if you want that pinch twist or not. It's up to you. For example, I'm gonna say I don't want it because I'm gonna just use it for the color that is coming at 160 or at 260 in a moment. So just go back. That's what I'm doing. And you're gonna just end this all the way up and finish with a bubble because it's faster. You just make a bubble and twist it around. So now in here, you have like approximately 4 bubbles, and it's gonna help that to make this straight. Okay, let's go in a resume because I know I'm going fast because I'm thinking, let's do this. It's a fast design. So you have this is the view. The wings are trapped in this part, which I like it. You see, and now this triangle stays there. Okay, you have this. Let's take our time. This can be also a very cool dragonfly. Why not? Don't you think? Okay, I'm just letting you look. Here you have 3 or 4 pinch twists. Okay, and it's gonna help you to put this straight. Now with this, what I do is I measure like 7 finger long, and then I'm gonna make a loop that is 4 finger long, and then a smaller loop like it's gonna be 3 finger long. Okay, and then from here I just gonna make pinch twist, pinch twist. Yeah, that's it. Pinch twist, and the other side pinch twist here, and the other side also pinch twist. If you look have this extra, it's okay, you leave it somewhere and that's fine. Look, the longer loop, it goes up, the shorter it goes down, and you have something like this. Now you can always, and this is what I did, I add another balloon to make this especially thicker. But if you're in a hurry, you just leave it like this. If you want to add more, you can add more, another balloon to 60 and make this part thicker. So you just pass it, go back, pass it. So this is thicker, okay? It's up to you, but I want to show you kind of a fast version. So you have this, then you can always grab the wings and bend it the end like this to give it some more style to your airplane. Now, you just need a 160. If you don't have a 160, any color, gray, white, black, you can go with a 260. I'm gonna use an orange 160, and let's see what happens, okay? Let's see. You just blow it like 5-6 finger tail. And what I did is just, you can use also balloon scrap. You can make or like 4 finger bubble loop, and then another 4 finger bubble loop, petal. You can use just 2, or you can make another one to make it 3. Usually it's just 2 on the front, but you can just make another one because this is a cartoonish way. Now you can also make here in the center a pinch twist to make things more stable. So that's what I'm doing. And you have this. And this, you cut it. Now, some people likes to also decorate this part, and with this extra, you can also cover this part to make it much thicker. And let's do it. So, see, I'm just kind of like jam, there's not any specific design, but this is kind of my basic. And then from there, you can add, you can take more. For example, this, I have it here. Why not? Let's use it to cover. So, there we go. So you just pass it, and remember, you can make it colorful, or you can make it all with one color, or you play with the kid's favorite color. So, and this is, have a lot of choices, trust me. Okay, so you have this. Look how cool. It's very sturdy, like, everything is connected, very cool. And in order to make this look more like a plane, because it's all about, what else you can do to help you design to look more like a plane. I have emojis, but if you don't have emojis, you can have any printed balloon that have a face. It can be a pig face, a panda face, emoji face. For example, I have these cool emoji faces that, wait a minute. I know, you can even put, if it's bunny faces, zombie face. So let's try this one. It had hearts. So I'm gonna blow it, and it's gonna just blow as big as you want. It's a 5-inch one. You can always color it. And look, you have this face, and it can be just like this. You can color the eyes to make it look cool, but just this idea is gonna look like it's a super cool airplane. Now here, in order to this to stay, now that's coming the other balloon that is a clear to 60. And if you don't have clear, it's fine. Try it with black or with the kids' favorite color. What I do is I just blow them almost all the way. Just I leave like some air, but leave also like 4-finger tail. And you're gonna make like loops, like 3-finger loop, one, another 3-finger loop, and another 3-finger loop. It makes things just more stable. So when you have that, it's the base for the little yellow nozzle here from the printed balloon, and just attach it to this. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a very cool way to make an airplane. It's a lot of interaction with the kids. You can ask them things, you can always color the face, make any face you want. And the kids love to play with this. They just walk with their planes everywhere. And look, these balloons clear, you know they tend to be delicate. So just don't inflate it too much. If you blow it all the way, then lose air, so then soft and squishable, so then it doesn't pop that easily. Okay, soft and squishable, so the kids can be holding it and still can, you know, take this for a ride. I hope you like it. Please tell me in the comments what do you think. If you make it, don't forget, tag me and follow me on Instagram. Instagram is the best place we can chat. You can send me private messages. You can share your pictures with me. You can always tag me. If you tag me, it's not like, oh, you can even mention me on, you know, on the picture, because I know it's for your clients most of the time. But I would, you know, love if you can tag me. You just add an @ and then Alpacaglobo, and I will be able to see it. And then at the end of all my videos, I share it, because the idea of sharing pictures that other people learn from this YouTube channel and they are able to make it is also to motivate the other new students or new learners, new balloon twisters that are, you know, watching these videos and trying to figure it out how she did it. Awesome. Have a wonderful day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video, because it's going to be a zebra. Well, but the good thing about these things is I'm gonna put this in a playlist that probably is like toys or mobiles or planes. I don't know if it is, and you know, like a playlist like that. So then you will find, if you are looking to make cars, planes, and you know, stuff like that, you will find this one there. Okay. Ciao, ciao.